Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open the phone app to begin voicemail setup on your Realme phone. Press and hold 1 to call your carrier voicemail number directly. If this is your first time, you will be prompted to create a 4-digit PIN for security. Follow the voice prompts to record a personal greeting that callers will hear. To set or change the voicemail number, open phone app settings, choose voicemail, and enter the carrier voicemail number manually. Save changes and test by calling from another phone to confirm setup. Open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab to view messages visually. If visual voicemail is unavailable, press and hold 1 to dial and listen to messages. While listening, use the play, save, delete, or forward options to manage each message. Saved messages remain accessible until you delete them manually or storage limits are reached. New message alerts appear in the notification shade with a voicemail icon and timestamp. Use Wi-Fi or mobile data when visual voicemail down. Configure conditional call forwarding to route calls to voicemail when busy, unanswered, or unreachable. On Realme, enter the forwarding codes or use phone app call settings to set the correct voicemail number. If you forget your 4-digit PIN, contact your carrier or use the carrier portal to reset the PIN securely. Consider a third-party visual voicemail app when your carrier does not provide visual voicemail on Realme. Remember that voicemail storage and transcription limits vary by carrier, so monitor space and download important.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.